This is our paper briquette press for use with one standard form of briquette press available on the internet anywhere you like, and that will fit onto our press to assist the use of the press. Okay. First task is to fit the press to the wall. It comes complete with 4 fixing bolts and raw plugs. Firmly fix it to the wall. The next process is to fit the plunger to the top part of the basket, and that simply screws in. Place it in the basket like so. This will simply screw in the bottom here. 1, 2. So, very simple process to attach the basket to the plunger. Firmly fit that to there. Takes a little time, they're long screws. Okay. The screws come supplied with the kit. Right, that's it. The plunger is now fitted to the basket. Next job is to apply the plunger to the machine with the provided bolt, and you need an Allen key for this. That simply bolts in like so. If you can see that. Okay, so we now have the top part of the press attached. The next is to attach the base. This is quite simple again. This is the base. I'll come this side. Lift the press up, sit back into there, and lower into there. Okay, make sure that's fairly central. Now, this also comes with the kit. This is the fixing bracket to hold the press in position. This simply slides in through the base of the press, clips into there, and the other bottom side simply will bolt on. Get it lined up. Okay. Now with an M13 spanner, they simply tighten up. Like that. Like that. And finally, tighten the front bolt to stop it moving backwards and forwards. Like so. Now it is firmly held in place, ready for the press to operate. We simply put our pulp and our mixture into the base, lower the top down, and compress. Simple as that. Okay, I'll now show you how to operate the press under normal circumstances. First of all, put the briquette tray in position, simple as that. Add some material, some pulp, As you can see, we've got some straw mixed in with this, but mainly it's paper. You can also add sawdust, as long as you've got plenty of paper. Okay, that's filled up to the top. We now lower the top section in. And easy light pressure, I can do it with my small finger. And as you can see, the fluid is draining from the bottom. A little bit more pressure. That is the water drained out. Remove the top plate. Like so. Remove the briquette. And there you'll see a completed briquette. Leave to dry for several days and burns quickly.